Next chapter, chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, exercise 3.2. First problem, find x in the following figure. Here one figure given, we want to find the value of x. What type of figure given? Which angle is given? Interior angle or exterior angle? First we have to identify those things. Here one triangle given, the sides are extended. Now outside angle, that means exterior angle is given 125, another angle also 125, one more angle is x. We want to find the x value. How to find x value? Already we know sum of all interior angle of a polygon, sum of all exterior angle of a polygon. Already we know this one. So the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360. Using this concept we can find x value easily. Just you have to add. We know the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360. One angle is 125, another angle also 125, plus another angle is x. Add the three angles. 125 plus 125, 250. 250 plus x is equal to 360. Now subtract 250 from 360. We get 110. Therefore x is equal to 110. Similarly, how to find the sum of all interior angle of any polygon is? Already we know sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180. Sum of all interior angle of a parallelogram is 360. Already we know how to find. Using this formula we can find it easily. N minus 2 into 180. For example, consider a triangle here. Triangle have how many sides? Here n denotes number of sides. Consider a triangle n having 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. So take n as 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into 180, 180. So the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we have to consider a parallelogram. In a parallelogram having 4 sides. So n equal to 4. Take 4 minus 2, we get 2. 2 into 180, we get 360. So the sum of all interior angle of a parallelogram is 360. Using this concept, we can find the sum of all interior angle of any polygon easily. I hope you all understand this one. Now we can move to the next problem. Subdivision B. Here observe the figure. This figure is pentagon. Here we want to find on another exterior angle x. How to find x? Same concept we are going to apply here. The sum of all exterior angle of a sum of all exterior angle of a polygon. The polygon is here pentagon. It's always 360 degree. Now we have to add all the angles. Angle 60 plus 90. One more angle is 70 plus x. Again here also 90 degree. Equal to 360. Add all the angles. X plus 90 plus 60, 150. 90 plus 70, 160 equal to 360. 150 plus 160, 310. X is equal to, subtract 310 from 360. We get 50. That's all. I hope you all understand this problem.